Euro against US dollar this week has risen in value, and we can see that the price after reach at the 1.06736 support level, the price has formed a bullish breakout right here. We can see that on a Monday, and the price formed a bullish pin bar at the support at 1.07276. After that, in the next 3 days, the price has gone up to 1.07825, formed on a Thursday, bullish breakout, and currently the price is heading even higher and higher. So the price has stopped just between this resistance at 1.08 and 1.07 price level. A weekly time frame shows us that the price has currently formed a bullish breakout. On the weekly time frame, it can further rise in value because the price is just in between the resistance and the support level. Monthly time frame shows us currently a bullish candle, but only the first week has closed for the euros, so there is 3 more weeks until this month closes, so everything's still open. But currently what we can see, there were several bullish and bearish breakouts here around 1.07825, so currently there is no clear indication of where the price could go. Because of this movement up and down, we can see what are very important levels. Now we can see that on the monthly time frame, 1.084, a resistance level, is very important, and above that is 1.088. So that is the important level on the upper side. On the lower side is 1.066. Now we can see that 1.088 is a weekly resistance level which needs to be broken in order to continue to move up. So currently this is the target on the weekly time frame, where I'm expecting that the price will reach for certainly 1.086 and then possibly 1.08. But there is also a chance that the price returns all the way back down to 1.07825, just confirming this previous resistance, now acting as a support where the price will go up. The daily time frame shows also a clear information that there is a next target, 1.088. This is the resistance level where the price is setting. So there is also a possibility that the price reaches and then bounces back down. So this is the next target for the next week, and this is the level 1.0785. Is the support level that needs to hold to prevent the price from falling down all the way to 1.07276. So currently we can see that the daily and the weekly time frame shows us a bullish momentum where 1.088 is the next target. So this is something that I am expecting to see in the future. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.